Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Susie Jamaica Vibes. Now in today's video, I'm doing a facial cleanse, and right about now I'm using the Visible Clear 2-in-1 wash and mask. After applying the mask to the face, you want to leave it there for 5 minutes before washing off with water. Now if you're gonna do the wash, you just wash it same time after applying. After rinsing the face with water, I'm using the Neutrogena Visible Care Spot Proofing Smoothing Scrub, and all this should be done on a wet face. Now you want to make sure you massage the scrub into the skin. Now guys, if you like my video, please go ahead and subscribe, share, and like, of course. Stop make up your face, I think you're pretty cool.
Each face mask that I put on my face, I leave it there for like 5 minutes and then wash it off with warm water.
Now you want to dry your face with a towel. Now I'm using the witch hazel, and that's a toner. What I've done, I've put some witch hazel on a cotton bud, and I'm applying it to my face. You want to press lightly into the skin so that it can open the pores. Now you want to get them dark spots.
Now guys, after my face has air dry, I'm going to apply the Aveeno daily moisturizing lotion with 5% sunscreen. I want to use this very lightly because it's a very thick base.
Yes girl, rub that moisturizer into that skin. Get it all up in there, man.
Now I'm going to put some vitamin E oil under my eyes for all dark circles.
Now everything I use will be listed in the description box below, so you can go there and check it out. Thanks for watching.